Hi guys, it's me again, Maria, and in this video guys, I want to share with you and I want to show with you guys how you can do unboxing video to your content. So if you want to create a content by unboxing everything that you want, whatever it is, gadgets, makeup, clothes, or everything that you don't want to show your face, well, this is the video that I want you to watch, and so that you can get some ideas, you can get some tips for doing unboxing videos. So I think on YouTube, this is one of the top 10 niches for content creator doing unboxing videos. So all right, before I let you watch the video guys, I want to thank you for all your support, for my subscribers, and especially for my new subscribers. Thank you so much guys for all your support to my channel. Before you leave my channel, don't forget to like, share, and of course I'm always telling you to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video every week. Okay, I'm gonna share with you guys all the AI, all the things that I'm doing, of course, so for you guys also to try if you can create a video like this. It's very simple on how you can unbox, you can create a content and anything that you want to unbox. So without any further ado guys, let's watch the video.
Unboxing, a glimpse into the enthralling world of opening packages. In the age of instant gratification, where a single click can summon any object to our doorstep, the simple act of unwrapping a package has transcended its mundane reality to become a global phenomenon. Unboxing videos, chronicling the thrill of peeling back layers of packaging and unveiling a coveted item, have captivated millions on YouTube and social media. But what is it about these seemingly ordinary videos that have us glued to our screens, sharing in the anticipation and joy of a stranger's retail acquisition? The origins of unboxing trace back to the early days of YouTube. Around 2006, tech enthusiasts were among the first to document their experiences with new gadgets, uploading grainy videos of themselves opening boxes and setting up their latest smartphones or laptops. The format was raw, unpolished, and driven by a genuine excitement for technology. As internet speeds increased and video quality improved, unboxing evolved beyond tech, encompassing a vast array of products, from designer handbags and makeup palettes to children's toys and everyday household items. The reasons behind the immense popularity of unboxing videos are multifaceted. For one, they tap into a deeply ingrained human curiosity. We're naturally drawn to the act of discovery, the thrill of peeling away the unknown and witnessing the reveal. Unboxing videos offer a voyeuristic peek into someone else's experience, allowing us to vicariously participate in the excitement of acquiring something new. Furthermore, unboxing videos create a sense of community and connection. In a world that often feels isolating, watching someone else enthusiastically open a package can feel intimate and relatable. The host's genuine excitement and detailed descriptions can transport us into their shoes, making us feel like we're right there with them, sharing in the joy of the moment. This sense of connection is further amplified by the interactive nature of online platforms. Viewers can leave comments, ask questions, and share their own unboxing experiences, fostering a sense of camaraderie and shared passion. The lucrative potential of unboxing has also contributed to its rise. With millions of views and dedicated fan bases, popular unboxers can command significant sponsorships and advertising deals. This financial incentive has attracted a wave of professional content creators who have honed the art of unboxing into a polished and visually appealing spectacle. High-quality cameras, creative editing techniques, and engaging commentary transform the act of opening a box into a mini production, complete with intros, outros, and even elaborate set designs. However, the commercialization of unboxing has also sparked concerns, particularly regarding the exploitation of children. Some channels feature young children unboxing mountains of toys, often sponsored by toy companies. Critics argue that these videos can fuel unhealthy materialism and envy in children, blurring the lines between genuine excitement and staged performances for views and profit. The ethical considerations surrounding child-centered unboxing highlight the need for responsible content creation and mindful consumption. As viewers, we must be critical of the messages conveyed in these videos and recognize the potential influence they have on children. Unboxing, at its core, is a celebration of anticipation, discovery, and the simple joy of acquiring something new. While the commercialization of the trend has undoubtedly altered its landscape, the essence of unboxing, the excitement of the reveal, the sense of connection, and the shared human experience remains. So, the next time you find yourself mesmerized by an unboxing video, take a moment to appreciate the human connection it fosters and the simple pleasure it evokes. And who knows, you might even be inspired to create your own unboxing adventure, capturing the joy of that special purchase and sharing it with the world.